Hi there, today we're here to introduce you our high-speed blister cartoning line. It can pack capsules and tablets into blisters, then pack blisters into cartons. The output can reach 320 cartons per minute. PID multi-zone linear heating, offering high efficiency. 11 tons ultra-strong former, twice as the pressure as similar machines. And this machine has innovation patents for a multi-layer waterfall adjustable track feeder, offering high-speed feeding with vibration and dust removal function, camera detection, rejecting substandard products, roller heat sealing, continuously running good effects, producing line clear, no wrinkle result. Cooling plate and reverse prepressed device. The blister plates are flatter and not bended. Indentation flexibly adjusts the clarity of a batch number. The blister is transferred to the feeder device of a cartoning machine. Customized feeder method tailored to meet your need. Material arrival detection ensures no material rejection. GUK origami machine with manual four-wheel design. Double planetary carton forming structure guarantees proper carton opening. Batch number printing, simple and easy operation. Parts number coding and adjustable scale, convenient and easy maintenance. The whole machine is fully servo-controlled, provides a high level of intelligence and reliability. For more information of our blister cartoning line, welcome to contact Rich Packing.